But if you break it down into simple steps and look at each page individually and the content that it needs to display, it's really not that hard. So in our video, we're going to skip this home page because the home page is where the bulk of your unique content will come from. Most of the content, again, on your site is going to revolve around promoting either blank products that the customer can then choose to create a custom product, or they're going to select a retail product that we are then selling. So on our About page, for every page, we're always going to come to kind of a widget and probably add a page title, and then choose where we want that page title to be located. In our case, we'll make it centered, and that'll be unique to the page name because at the moment we have automatic title turned on. Now, most About pages are going to display content about your company. So what you might do is you might come into widgets, you add text, and then you actually talk about your company within a paragraph of text. And let's actually come back to widgets, add a second column. And in this case, let's drag we could write a paragraph about us here. And then on the column left of it, we could start actually adding some images of our team or individual team members, depending on what you're really looking for. So again, your About page is going to really convey why the consumer should trust you and make a purchase. If you choose to turn off your contact page or just not make it always available, you can always come into widgets and then put a form, so we could add it underneath this text. And from here, we could actually, send us a message. And then by filling out our form, which we can customize, we can gather information. So a lot of the times the About page, again, is going to convey why they should purchase from you and how they can reach you. Outside of your About page, we have the Products page. Now the Products page is where we're going to display our retail products for our consumers to purchase. So we've created some templated products, and then we can override the way that they're displayed as far as the thumbnail size. Where do we show the name? What happens when the customer rolls over? All of these different settings. So this is configuring the way that these products look. Now, instead of just products, we could rename this, for instance, Shop Products. And again, it's going to kind of get more of a cross that, okay, here's where our retail products are to actually view. When it comes to the designs page, it's a lot like the products, except instead of choosing a pre-decorated product, they first select the design, and then from there they choose the product they want it to be on. So what I like to do is potentially change this to browse designs, and then we're actually calling them to, okay, select the design and then the product you want it to be on. The Create page is not exactly straightforward right off the bat, but essentially the Create page is where we're displaying the different customizable products that we can, our consumers can essentially come to and design and then order. So we'll make this customizable products. Click Save. And then we could come to More and to our designer and rename it. Maybe we just call this Start Designing. And then if we want to preview it of how it all works, we can. The actual navigation, Home, About, Shop Products, Browse Designs, Customizable Products, and then Start Designing. Hopefully you find this video helpful. Thank you.